If you want to see how I got this style for less than 10 USD, then you should definitely keep on watching. Welcome back to another video. So the hair that we're working with is the Lulutress 2x Swirly Mini 4C in the number 2, and this is just a little clip of me showing you how the hair comes packaged. You know, it comes with the regular how to care card, and the hair comes with a protective mesh around it, and each pack comes with 12 bundles, 6 at the top and 6 at the bottom, and I used a total of 4 packs for this install. I'm doing this install on some braids that I did a few days before, so don't come for me about that, okay? For this installation, I divided each bundle into 2 pieces. I then took my crochet needle, pushed it under the corner, attached the hair to the hook, then pulled it through and tied a knot. I tied the knot 2 or 3 times. 2 or 3 is more than enough. The hair will stay in place. To go again, you want to split your bundle into 2 pieces. Take 1 piece and attach it to your crochet needle, pull it through, and then tie your knot 2 or 3 times. Honestly, 2 is enough, so you can stop at 2. You continue doing this method until you get to where your parting is. For my braiding pattern, I did 10 cornrows at the front, so 5 on each side and 7 at the back. Alright, so I did 2 parting spaces, 1 at the side and 1 in the center. And when you're doing this, instead of tying the 2 pieces or tying the 2 ends in a knot, you want to take 1 piece or 1 end and tie the knot and leave out the other side so that it can fall over and cover your hair. At this point, I had 1 pack left, and this is what I used to close up the center part, and I also used it to go back in and fill in all the gaps and spaces that I had in the rest of my head. Wanna get it, no, you wanna get it, no, you forget it, no, you got a chance, so don't you waste it, so close to the finale, you can taste it, got you at first glance, you can't erase it, rock it through your mind, you're on a spaceship, don't pass go, let it flow, I can take you there, straight through that door, put 1 foot in front the other, walking toward, the same question, are you sure? So here I was just playing with the hair to give it some shape, and I also went in with my scissors to cut off the unnecessary strands and the knots.
I'll take you on another level, getting hot and heavy. take you places you ain't never seen. Rolling with me, I take you on another level. We getting hot and heavy, take you places you ain't never seen.
It's getting hot and heavy, getting hot and heavy. Tell me that you're ready, tell me that you're ready. Know you wanna get it, know you wanna get it. Know you won't forget it, know you won't forget it. It's getting hot.
This is where I went back in with the rest of the hair from the fourth pack because I felt like the hair needed more volume and there were some spaces that needed to be filled.
Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. Yeah, they see it every time. The magic makes them wanna lose their mind.
Alright, so this section is where I went in with the brush that I used to do my edges, and I used it to kind of ruffle the roots of the crochet hair. This kind of hides the knot and makes it appear as if the hair is growing out of your scalp-ish. As for the hair, it was full yet lightweight. It had some really beautiful curls and it really blended in with my natural hair. However, I realized that when I pulled the hair too hard, the curls would disappear and the hair would look like an afro. So to me, the quality really isn't that good, but definitely worth it since I paid less than $10 for this.
Don't forget it. It's getting hot and heavy, getting hot and heavy. Tell me that you're ready, tell me that you're ready. Know you wanna get it, know you wanna get it. Know you won't forget it, know you won't.
I then went in with some oil sheen to finish off the look and just continue to shape the hair to my liking. To be honest, this is not a type of hair that I think would last you for a month, but for $10 it's definitely worth it. I was able to get a side part, a center part, as well as a bang. All the information for this hair will be listed in the description box below, so please be sure to check that out. I hope you enjoyed this video. As usual, don't forget to give this video a like, comment your thoughts down below, let me know what you think, subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next one.
You asking for